Canadian scientists to plant 1 billion trees using drones by 2028. Canadian scientists announced a new initiative to use specially designed drones to plant 1 billion trees by 2028, called Flash Forest. The group started testing its drone systems in August, successfully planting over 100 trees with a drone in a test flight. The group also claimed it uses a unique blend of acids to help plants grow faster. It's not ready yet. Musk on SpaceX internet satellite constellation. SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk, responding to a Twitter user inquiring about the aerospace startup's Starlink internet satellite connectivity, said, "It's not ready yet." The Twitter user had said that parts of Australia are about to lose communications, phones and internet, adding, "Is there anything you can do?" Starlink. Notably, SpaceX is aiming to launch about 42,000 Starlink satellites. In Korea, hackers stole sensitive data from governments, academics. Microsoft has said it seized control of 50 web domains run by a hacking group called Thallium, believed to be operating from North Korea. It said Thallium targeted government employees, think tanks, university staffs and people working on nuclear proliferation issues, among others. The hackers used spear phishing, with legitimate-looking emails to direct the victims to those malicious domains. 6,500 under 14 children probed for sexting in UK. The Guardian. Between 2017 and August 2019, nearly 6,500 children under the age of 14 were investigated for sexting, nude media in Wales and England where it's illegal. The Guardian reported, citing police data. 306 cases of children under 10 included some as young as 4. Guardian added, they were investigated on suspicion of sharing indecent images of themselves or other minors. Woman lists 19-year-old disabled daughter on dating app in blackmail scheme. A 39-year-old mother was arrested from her Bangkok apartment on Christmas over an alleged extortion scheme by listing her 19-year-old specially abled daughter on dating app Badoo. The mother allegedly blackmailed 7 men by accusing them of luring her daughter for sex. The woman and her aide almost allegedly wore fake government uniforms to threaten victims with arrest and extorted money.